Sorting a list. Sorting is arranging the numbers either in ascending order, that is smallest number to largest number, or descending order, that is largest number to smallest number. Suppose you have a list of unsorted numbers and you want to sort the list in ascending order. The conditions to sort the list is that you don't have any extra space to store the number. You have to manage the space given. To sort the list, you will start by finding the smallest number present in the list. Once you find the smallest number, you will put it at the top of the list. But where will you place the number which is already present at the top of the list? You will simply swap or interchange the number present at the top of the unsorted list with the smallest number. Now, you will follow a similar technique for the rest of the numbers. You will find the smallest number from the remaining unsorted list and swap it with the number present. You need to repeat this process till you reach the last number from the list. When you reach the last element from the list, you need to check that all the numbers from the list are arranged in ascending order. This method of sorting is called selection sort. Algorithm. Step 1. Set minimum number to location 0. Step 2. Search for the minimum element in the list. Step 3. Swap the number at location minimum number. Step 4. Increment the minimum number to point it to the next element. Step 5. Repeat the above step 1 to 4 till the list gets sorted.